We'll guide you through how to change project settings in Premiere Pro. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because many Premiere Pro users want to understand sequence settings but find them confusing. Beginners especially need guidance on adjusting frame rate, resolution, and audio settings correctly. First, open your Premiere Pro on your desktop to begin the process. Once it has fully loaded, you may open up your existing project from the home screen. If you have not created any project yet, simply press the New Project button and set up a new one. After your project is open, look for the Sequence option at the top menu bar of the application. Click on it to see more available options related to your project timeline. From the drop-down menu, find the Sequence Settings option and tap on it to open the Settings panel. From here, you can customize your editing mode depending on your needs, where you can simply use one of the preset options provided. Next, set the time base or frames per second by clicking on the box and selecting the value you want. This setting will determine how smooth your video playback appears. Then, move on to the video section, where you can change the frame size of your project to match your desired resolution. You can also edit the aspect ratio, fields, and display format to suit your project requirements. After adjusting the video settings, go to the audio section, where you can change the sample rate and the display format for your sound. Make sure these settings match your recording or output needs. Next, in the video preview section, you can change the preview file format, codec, and resolution to control how your preview renders during editing. Take your time to review each option carefully so your project settings match your intended output. Before finalizing, recheck everything to ensure all settings are correct and consistent. If something does not look right, adjust it before continuing. Once you are done reviewing and making changes, click the OK button to close the panel and apply your settings. Following these steps will help you properly configure your sequence settings in Premiere Pro. Practicing this process regularly will improve your editing workflow and help you produce better quality videos with more accurate settings.